Hello.
Yes, hello. How are you?
Fine, thanks. Can you introduce this machine?
Yes, let's show you our straightening machine. Come on. You can see this is our straightening machine. This is a horizontal type. Now the machine already installed and waiting for paint. So you can see this is F100 model straightening machine with different type, different number of the rollers. We have 40 rollers and 70 rollers. The difference is the accuracy and the straightness is different. But the same is used for different type of the metal material, like the carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum, copper, and different other metal material. So if you have the products require the high accuracy, tolerance, and straightness, you could contact us. We will provide the machine to you. Then you could get the better and the best straightness.